Moderate rain is very likely to occur at isolated places over Mumbai, Palghar, Raigad Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Thane and Ghats of Satara in the next 3 hours, IMD. We have deployed NDRF teams at Vasai, Palghar, Thane, Ghatkopar, Powai, Kurla, Mahad, Raigad, Khed Chiplun, Ratnagiri, Kudal, Sindhudurg, Kolhapur, Sangli, Satara due to monsoon season as prepositioning apart from 3 teams at Mumbai and 1 team at Nagpur as regular deployment. Teams are on alert for any emergency response at their locations doing recee at low-lying areas and landslide-prone areas, NDRF.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe Surjapuri Time.